Is entry number 113, Don't Rain on My Parade. Entry number 113.
Tell me not to live, just sit and butter. Life's candy and the sun's up all the butter. Don't bring around a cloud to rain on my parade. Don't tell me not to fly, I simply can't choose. If someone takes a spill, it's me and not you. Who told you you're allowed to rain on my parade? I'll march my band out, I'll be my drum. And if I'm band out, you'll turn out bad, sir. At least I didn't fake it, sir. I guess I didn't make it, but whether on the rules of sheer perfection, a freckle on the nose of life's complexion, the cinder or the shiny apple of its eye. I gotta fly once, I gotta try once, only can die once, right, sir? Oh, life is juicy, juicy, and you see I gotta have my bite, sir. Get ready for me, love, 'cause I'm a comer. I simply gotta march my heart to drummer. Don't bring around the cloud to rain on my parade. I'm gonna live and live now. Get what I want, I know how. One roll for the whole shebang. One throw, that bell will go clang. Eye on the target and wham. One shot, one gunshot, and bam! Hey, 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 world, here I am. I'll march my band out. I'll beat my drum. And if I'm band out, you'll turn out bad, sir. At least I didn't fake it, sir. I guess I didn't make it yet. Ready for me, love, 'cause I'm a comer. I simply gotta march my up to drummer. No.